Yes, you have it close to those levels at 18,900. Yes, indeed, we have hit those new record highs, Nikunj. It's taken us 142 sessions, but here we are, Nikunj.
Alright guys, you know the ring of all-time high needs some celebration. We always celebrate new landmarks and that's what I'm going to do. It's the ring of an all-time high, Kunal, and nothing captures. Yay! There you go. It's an all-time high and this always requires some celebration. So guys, you know, it's the new all-time high which is making us sound all excited, all charged up today. This all-time high has come at a time when nobody expected it. It's been a linear move in the market. We are calling it the rally or the summer rally of 2023. In hindsight, this will just be a number which in a sense will be just a small number when you look at the aggregate picture of the index. The economy is in the right direction. Things are moving for the stock market in the right direction. India as a destination has arrived. And Kunal, for me, what really matters this time around is that at a time when markets have made an all-time high, Indian investors have participated. You know, there was a time when Indian investors were only selling and FIs were only buying. Correct. This time, FIs have bought off late, but in general, the Indian SIP investor actually has benefited. So for me, this is a bull market, Kunal, which really belongs to an average Indian investor.
Absolutely, Nikunj. And I think just to put it very lightly, how difficult it was for you to break the party pooper, it was difficult for the markets to break the new high. And finally, we managed to do it for the index. But I think it's been a remarkable last 6 months of journey. It's been 208 days for the index from the previous highs of 18,880 for the index. Again, remarkable comeback. All sectors doing pretty well. Defensives, non-defensives, high beta, all of them have done remarkably well. So I think it's a complete win for the average investor.
You know, and Aisha, that's the interesting point, that where do we go from here? Trust me, a month from now, when we will look at this all-time high, the ring of an all-time high, it'll just be passé. Because markets are not going to stop here. Because the economy, I think, is galloping. Markets are just a function of nothing else, but sometimes forward, sometimes backward, they truly capture the economy and earnings. And I think that's where directionally we're headed right. But for me, the standout feature, Aisha, is that this market, for the first time, I would say, Indian investor has participated via the SIP route. Number of demat accounts have improved. In terms of the FI activity, well, FI sold out in 2022, but they've come back. And that, in a sense, is a clear endorsement that the FOMO effect now is with global institutional investors. The point what, Kunal, we need to understand is that since we made a new high after about 7 months.
7 months.
Do we stop here? Or this is a breakout which will take us way beyond 19,000?
I think we should climb up significantly above 19,000 mark. Just to put it into a context, the mid-cap index gave a breakout of the previous highs of 9,000. We are now at 9,900 in just a matter of the last 1.5 odd months. So even if we extend, not a similar kind of a price performance, but even if we expect a modest 3 to 4% move on the index, on the Nifty, we are looking at least another 700 to 800 points on the Nifty, which should take us to 19,500 plus.